Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner and give you some tips to help you make the most out of it. This versatile liquid cream cleaner is ideal for quickly and efficiently removing grime and grease from hard surfaces. It has a thick, mildly abrasive texture, making it great against tough residue, leaving your surfaces spotless. To get your hands on this Miracle Cream Cleaner, head to the link in the description. We'll also include a link to our full The Pink Stuff cleaning range so you can check it all out for yourself. Before you start, you'll want to make sure that the cleaner is usable on the surface you're about to clean. If you're unsure or you're using it for the first time, it's a good idea to test it out first. We recommend trying a very small amount on an inconspicuous or hidden area. This way you can gauge how much cream is needed and give it a test run, as well as discover whether or not it might be unsuitable for the area you're wanting to clean. Once you've established that it's okay to use, it's time to get started. First, shake the bottle before applying it to achieve the best consistency for the cream cleaner. The second step is to apply the cream cleaner to a dirty area you're wanting to clean with a soft, damp cloth. Here I'm going to apply it to some bathroom tiles that are in need of a clean. Leave the cream to soak in for a while and scrub any stubborn areas with a toothbrush or a small cleaning brush. Then simply wipe away and rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth. You can also buff the cleaned area with a clean, dry cloth for a shiny and professional finish. There you have it! Your surface should now be clean and spotless. Thank you for watching our video on how to use the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner, along with some of our own advice. We hope you found it helpful. Whilst you're here, be sure to check out the rest of our videos on the Pink Stuff cleaning range with our full The Pink Stuff playlist. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos on cleaning tips, appliance maintenance advice, and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching!